Here is my 10 tips to make 2023 better, positive, productive and your best year. First, you can kickstart the new year with gratitude. Take your planner or journal or a notebook and start writing all the things that you feel grateful for from the start to the end of this year 2022. It can be your health, your parents' health, etc. Gratitude has incredible benefits starting with the things we are blessed with, and it highly improves our life in a positive way. By practicing gratitude, you bring happiness, positivity, love and abundance into your life. Gratitude allows you to focus on the good. And when you focus on the good gets better. Next tip is to jot down everything that you have learned in this year. Learned something new? Write it down. Your life lessons? Write it down. New habits, new things that you have tried that impacted your life, even in a slightest way? Write it down. Because these things are helped you in some way or the other, and they are so valuable that you need to remember it for a long time. So why not write it down? There are something you learned, something you achieved in 2022, but there will be something that you wanted to improve, but it just didn't happen. Or you may neglected certain area or areas of your life that you think you need to focus in the upcoming year. Think about it and pen it down. Maybe you hustled and worked really hard but neglected your health. Then you may write you want to improve the health aspect of your life in 2023. When you're aware that you need to improve on something, that will help you to take necessary action. The simplest way to make 2023 better, positive and best is to focus on your own self. Focus on your needs, wants, likes, goals and everything. Just focus on yourself. You can't pour from an empty cup. If you take care of yourself better, you can better take care of others. If you love yourself better, you can love others better as well. So fill your cup with lots of positivity, kindness, compassion, love, care and all the good things. Your future self will thank you for that. My fifth tip is habit tracking. If you're trying to do something consistently but struggling, you can track those habits in order to be reminded of the task that you want to do. And as you see the progress bar going well, you're doing and tracking the particular habit, you're consistent with it automatically. For example, if you're addicted to your mobile, then you can have a habit of no phone for 2 hours, and as you follow it, you can slowly come out of your mobile or social media addiction. We all have 24 hours a day. It is not how many hours we have. It is how well we manage our time. In order to have a best positive 2023 ahead, manage your time well. You can take some simple steps. First, you can get to know where your time goes. And if there is any time wasters, you can try to minimize it. Time wasters are simply that waste your time doesn't help you to move towards your goals and dreams. And with the time you have in your hand currently, you can efficiently plan your to-do list for the day or task for the week and focus on the priorities first, so that you not only get things done, but get right things done. As we need to know where our time goes, it's so much important to know where our money goes as well. If you don't know where your money goes, then you need to start budgeting. Set some financial goals for yourself. Track your income, expenses, and start savings if you haven't already. Pay yourself first. As you track your expenses, you get to know where your money goes and where you're spending a lot of money. That awareness comes the moment you start tracking your money. One of the things that I absolutely love, if you follow me for a while, you know, and that is planning. I love this quote. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. You can start planning the year 2023. Set some goals for yourself, some habits to develop, maybe routines. Then set monthly goals with regards to your yearly goals. Do some monthly planning, also weekly planning, and remember to do the daily planning as well. If you're overwhelmed with planning, but you want to plan, or if you're a beginner in planning, then just start with writing daily to-do list every single day. If you haven't already, you don't even have to buy a planner or something in order to be productive. Just start writing daily to-do list, and trust me, it will change your productivity game in the year 2023. next tip is to create and stick to routines. I love routines. It's helpful in managing our time, energy well, and also it reduces your stress a lot. And as you might have known already, it's highly beneficial for our productivity. Routines saves us time so that you can use that time to do what you love to do. Start creating a morning routine and a night routine to begin with and try to stick with it. You don't have to rely on your motivation or willpower. It just happens. That's the beauty of a routine actually. Don't set goals and forget about it, but set goals that you will achieve it. That's my next tip. And in order to achieve your goals, make your goals realistic to yourself. Just ask if it is realistic to your life, your lifestyle, if you can achieve it. Another tip to achieve your goal that I would add is that to write down your goals on a paper instead of typing it on your mobile phone or a computer, because while you write it down, you will more likely to achieve them. These may be small baby steps, but doing these tiny steps is what brings tiny changes, and tiny changes brings remarkable results. If you want to change your life in 2023, and if you can spend 6 minutes in a day in order to change and transform your life, then you need to watch this video which is flashing on the screen right now in order to change your life for the better. That's it for the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye-bye.